2 feet of love, this is all it costs. Guess I'll make the drive down past the Texas line to make sure he's not alive. Dumped him off of a river bridge in the fall of '84. Word got around and he climbed out of that muddy Red River floor. I lost my bride to the finest man she claims to have ever known. When she got to the parking lot, his knees were already blown. Love is such a mighty drug, a mightier disease. Bet he misses her floating past the barge with one eye and crooked teeth. 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 Your crooked teeth are floating and my lady's resting fine. 7 miles out of Bismarck next to back in Northern Lines. I laid her down so softly and so kindly reassured. Love it ain't containment, a disease that can't be. And I'll drive through Colorado on a rocky stretch of road. No one who loves me as far as telephone poles go. I wish I was a trusted man, but a trusted man is weak. The only thing worth trusting is some brass through crooked teeth. Some brass through crooked teeth. Some brass through crooked teeth. Your crooked teeth are floating and my lady's resting fine. 7 miles out of Bismarck next to back in Northern Lines. Laid her down so softly and so kindly reassured. Love it ain't containment, a disease that can't be. Lost my bride to the finest man she claims to have ever known. When she got to the parking lot, his knees were already blown. Love is such a mighty drug, a mightier disease. Bet he misses her floating past the barge with one eye. Crooked teeth. weren't born just pay bills and die. You weren't born just pay bills and die. All you need is a dog, a shag, a crick in the back, and a good woman. Oh Lord, you don't need that rich man's gold. My granddaddy grew up on dirt floors. The whole county was dirt poor. Mama died when he was 4. What a damn shame. Grew back to hand raised hogs, 7 youngins and some old dogs. I reckon they was living high on the hog way back in their day. Say you won't born just pay bills and die. You won't born just pay bills and die. All you need is a dog, a shag, a crick in the back, and a good woman. Oh Lord, you don't need that rich man's gold.